I want, but listen. Let me clear my throat. Oh, have mercy, babe. Ha! I hope you don't mind. Let me clear my throat. Nothing dedicated going out to everybody here in Bahama Bay in Philadelphia. Here we go now, check it out. Rock to the rhythm of the funky line, so I can get busy just one more time to the beat and you don't quit. It's that old school rap with that new school hit. Need a pipe, I pick the pump up, a cool up the rock, and I can still rip up the house. Every goddamn time I get on the mic, I go crazy. Peace out to CeeLo, Flex, and Young Lazy. I bet you never knew, but now you know. I'm the undisputed king of this disco, and I never let the mic magnetize me no more. Cause DJ Cool rip up the whole damn flow. Now I'ma rock around with the greatest of these, and sing like a man on the fried Chinese. And if you don't like it, you grab on these. And now I need some help for the lights, so please. Yeah! Ha! So look at here. Check the flavor of the rhythm I wrote. And while I get a chance here, let me clear my throat.